Hey everyone, welcome back to Singing Carrots. My name is Christina and today I'm excited to share my review of the popular Udemy course, Singing Simplified number 1. I'll highlight what makes this course great for beginners, discuss what it lacks, and show you how singingcarrots.com can help you fill in these gaps. First, let's talk about what you'll get from Singing Simplified number 1 on Udemy. The course provides structured, easy to follow video lessons that are perfect if you're just starting your singing journey. You'll learn crucial techniques such as vocal warm ups, breath control, basic pitch accuracy, and foundational vocal skills. One big advantage is lifetime access, so you can revisit any lesson whenever you need. However, there are a few important features this Udemy course doesn't provide. You won't get real-time interactive feedback, meaning you can't immediately see if you're hitting the correct notes. It also lacks personalized vocal range assessment and doesn't offer customized song recommendations matched specifically to your unique voice. Plus, there is no gamified practice to keep your motivation high and make practice enjoyable. Here is where singingcarrots.com steps in. Our interactive tools perfectly complement this Udemy course by offering immediate visual pitch tracking to ensure accuracy. With our vocal range finder, you'll discover your voice's unique capabilities to get personalized song recommendations suited exactly for your vocal range. And our gamified ear training exercises make daily practice sessions engaging and fun, greatly enhancing your learning experience. So, Singing Simplified number 1 on Udemy is an excellent choice for beginners who enjoy structured video instructions. But to fully maximize your progress with interactive tools, real time feedbacks, and personalized recommendations, Singing Carrots is the ideal companion to your singing journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out singingcars.com to take your singing to the next level.